everyone! Welcome back to another Watershed walk. Though this video takes place along the Belle Isle Bay, where we met up with Belle Isle Watershed Coalition to receive training from Hammond River Angling Association for carbon soil sampling. This means we'll be collecting some soil samples over the summer to be assessed for carbon content. But today we're simply being shown how it's done to ensure consistency across the participating groups. This is part of a project called Carbon Capture Collective, a multi-partner approach to riparian restoration and carbon sequestration, funded by WWF Canada's Nature and Climate Grant Program, presented by Aviva. To set up our sampling site, an 8x8 square is measured out and stakes are placed at each corner to indicate the boundaries. A smaller quadrat is divided into a 3x3 grid, and a random number generator decides where the quadrat will be placed within the sample site. We also randomize which square within the quadrat we will sample in, and we'll do this for every sample we take. A total of 8 will be taken from each site. 4 are of the topsoil, up to 10 centimeters deep, and the other 4 are of the next horizon down, between 20 centimeters to 40 centimeters deep. Once a hole is hollowed and measured for depth, the soil within is collected and compressed into these small cylinders, which are then labeled and sent to a lab to be assessed for carbon content. This will help us to understand whether the work we've done at these sites has brought the land back to a natural and sustainable ecosystem which stores carbon properly. Thanks again to WWF Canada for the funding, and as always to our ongoing partnerships that make these projects possible. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media to keep up with our environmental endeavors. We'll have updates on this and other projects on the way, so stay tuned and thanks for watching. See you next time!